Hello friends, welcome to another video. At Miami Swim Week, model Alejandra Talles made a striking appearance for Pink Melon swimwear. Her bikini featured a shimmering teal blue fabric that caught the light beautifully. The classic triangle top accentuated her figure. Surrounded by falling dollar bill props, the presentation carried a playful high-energy vibe, making her one of the standout moments of the show. Alejandra completed her look with statement accessories, layering chunky bracelets, cocktail rings, and bold earrings. The minimal coverage emphasized confidence and body positivity, aligning perfectly with the unapologetic spirit of Miami's swim fashion scene. This model showcased a daring and high-fashion look that perfectly captured the event's bold and glamorous energy. She wore a striking two-piece set designed to turn heads, featuring a nude-toned asymmetric top that blended minimalism with a touch of drama. She also carried a bundle of cash, adding an edgy, provocative twist to the runway presentation. The top included a single long sleeve encrusted with shimmering embellishments, contrasting beautifully against the bare side. Around her neck, she wore a dazzling choker adorned with rows of crystals, enhancing the glamorous theme of the ensemble. A large statement ring and a sparkling cuff bracelet on her wrist continued the luxe aesthetic. The model's walk exuded attitude and poise,